In this video, I want to quickly show you what we've done so far to integrate with Mailbox Power. Mailbox Power is a very powerful platform that we've used at Jenesis for a while to send direct mail, postcards, letters, greeting cards. The customization is crazy good, and we'll do another video to show you more about how that works. This video is just really going to show you how the two can work together at this point. The other thing I'll tell you is that we do have plans to extend the functionality of this. So we've got some ideas how this can be much better than it even is today. But we're using Mailbox Power to send things, like I said, direct mail. So you could have a client in Jenesis, and if you want to send them a greeting card, a birthday card, a letter, even if it looks handwritten, thank you for meeting with me, or I'd like to meet with you. Anniversary cards, anniversary of how long they've been a customer. You can also send, and all this is branded, by the way, of course, with your agency. The other thing you can do with Mailbox Power is send gifts. So you can send all kinds of gifts, even brownies and cookies, and the cookies, by the way, and brownies can even have your logo on the cookie itself, on the brownie itself. It's just really, really cool. So look forward to showing you more about that soon. But you're welcome to go to Mailbox Power and do a little research ahead of time, mailboxpower.com. But what we've done is we've created what we're calling a phase one integration. So if you look at the top, you've got some of these buttons up here. And by the way, we're thinking about moving some of these down under a grouping called integrations. But for now, you go to Mailbox Power here, and it's going to ask you to put the API key into Jenesis Mailbox Power from JenesisNow. So what I would do is I would go over to my Mailbox Power account, go down to integrations, access my Mailbox Power API key, and then I can copy that to my clipboard, go back over to Jenesis, and paste this in here. That'll connect Jenesis to Mailbox Power. So now what you can see inside of when I've gone here and gone in this Mailbox Power area, is you can see the clients that I have over in Mailbox Power. And you can manage them from here. So you can delete them, assign groups, and so on from here. You can also go and do that from Mailbox Power. But the cooler part is if you enable the sync, let's say that Eddie Price is a client inside of my Jenesis account. I can select Eddie Price and then just click Sync Selected, and what that will do is move Eddie Price over to Mailbox Power. It does require me to select a group. You'll learn more about that if you sign up with Mailbox Power, and I want to sync that client. So now Eddie Price, all his contact information, and most importantly his name, business name, address, is going to go over to Mailbox Power. Once it hits a particular group like I just did, you can have automation already created inside of Mailbox Power, depending on what group I just assign that to, that it will automatically send a birthday card, automatically send a thank you note, automatically send a cookie or a t-shirt or any number of things that's branded with your logo on it. Just by putting it in that group, you can have Mailbox Power set up to automatically send them whatever it is you're intending to send them from here. So that's all I'm going to show you today. This is step one, kind of phase one. Some of the other automation we're working on is so that you can set it up to where you say every time a client becomes active, I might want it to go over to Mailbox Power, and I might want it to go into my grouping to send a thank you note, a handwritten or a card that says thank you for signing up. Here's all the other services we provide. Just so much you can do here. But that's it for today. Hope you like this. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Thank you.